To clean and disinfect the cleanroom ceiling, use a single-use mop with a prepared cleaner. Start at the corner of the room furthest from the entryway, moving the damp mop along the edge of the ceiling where it meets the wall. Use overlapping, unidirectional strokes across the entire ceiling, wetting the mop head as necessary. To avoid dripping hazards, never allow the mop to pass directly overhead. Make sure that all vents are cleaned. Once the entire ceiling has been cleaned, follow the same procedure using your facility's disinfectant.